Hi guys, welcome to Pretty Little Claws. My name's Lisa Grace and today I'm going to show you this urban graffiti inspired design using a mixture of gel polishes and some foiling. So I have already done 2 coats of Urban Graffiti Snow White and they have been cured. And the colours that I'm going to be using are Atomic Tangerine, Azure, Miami Beach, Sour Lemon, Wild Watermelon, Glastonbury Nights and Toxic Waste. Okay, so you will need some tissue paper just to wipe your brush on. I'm going to be using the Urban Graffiti top coat, so I'm going to do just a thin layer of this on top. And then I'm going to be using the Nail Nails 01 brush, and we're going to get a small blob of each colour gel polish and into the wet coat of the top coat. We're just going to smush it in. Wipe your brush before you pick up your next colour. So it's important that you don't put too much top coat on the nail, otherwise when we're putting all this gel polish on it will just push it over the edge and flood the cuticles. So the good thing about this design is there's no written rule. You can literally just smush these colours wherever. You don't have to think about it too much. It's a really easy design to do and it looks really effective. So just one blob of colour at a time. Just kind of manipulate them through one another. So certain bits I will drag through, just like that. Okay, so that can go into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So we're going to be foiling on top of this now. So I'm going to be using the Urban Graffiti Base Coat. Just a small amount. This is just that it creates a tacky layer for the foil to stick to. So you don't need to put too much on, just a very, very thin layer. And that can go into the lamp for 30 seconds. So while that's in the lamp, I'm going to prep my foil. So using a lint-free wipe and the gel residue wipe off solution. I'm just going to wipe the back of the foil. So now using that section, I'm just going to touch a little bit, however much you want. If you want a lot of coverage or just a little bit of coverage, completely up to you. I'm happy with that. So I'm going to go back in with the Urban Graffiti top coat and top coat the entire nail. And that can go into the lamp for a full cure. Okay, so here's my finished design. I hope you've enjoyed it. You can like, comment and share, and all the links to the products are in the description box below. Thanks for watching.